Hi, my name is Henning Christensen, and I would like to demonstrate how project communication works in our platform, Real-Time Project Management, and how it's going to be a game changer in any project where there's contracts involved. And as you all know, all communication between the parties in these projects is contractual. And if the contract is king, then communication might be the queen. So let's have a look at how project communication work in our platform. And this here is the front page of our platform configured for this fictive demo project here. And what we're going to look at now is the application project communication. As you see here, right there, you also see there's 27% of all communication completed. Let's look into it. And what you see here is on the front, the first thing you see on the top here is a real-time dashboard where you in the left here has KPIs, overall numbers, and then in the middle you have a split of communication between the different disciplines or topic area. And on the right here we have the to-do. That is actually very powerful. Here you can see there's five the contractor has to reply on, and there's two the employer has to reply on. And here we have the user interface for the project communication, and we have some different options here. We can filter, we can search on title, or we can filter on discipline, and you can see here it instantly filter when you switch between the discipline, or you can search for on the specific person in here, or you can reset, of course. Then you can make a new communication, and you can switch between a card view or list view. And here you have the status, and in the real project, this is just a demonstration. There we will not show communication that is complete. We will only focus on communication that's still in to do. And now we can see I actually got a new email. It was two before. That was for the employer to reply on, and that is Anna. And now I just got a notification on my phone here, and we can see here in my inbox that Anna, she replied to it, and we can see right here it's PCID number 65, and there's action required. That's the first thing, and then we can see actually a little more information about it. We can also see the status of it right there in the subject. And below that, we have all the parameters, all the metadata on it, who is responsible, who is from the employer, from the contract, and so on. Then the specific description of this task, and in the communication log, we have the full history of who wrote what when. And this here is of course responsive, so no matter if you're looking at a phone as I am here, or you're looking on a computer, it will always adapt to the screen you're using. Here we can see here on the right side, we have an interactive flowcharts. And there you can see it's flashing where at which status it is, and we can see exactly at what time this email was sent and from who. And here we have the message, and then I will simply reply on that one. And I actually need some more information, and then I will click on send. So now I'll send it back to the contractor. And these status here can be, of course, be configured as we need. So now we can see instantly it changed status in our to-do. Now there's two for the employer. And now we can see Anna, she replied, it's sent to the employer, and we are up to 3 again. So let's see if she have given me the additional information I was requesting in my reply. One of the powerful thing here you can see is that we actually have the full history of our conversation. I will just reply, thank you, that was for the clarification. Now I got everything I need. and then it's simply completed. There's no more actions required for this communication. And what I would like to highlight also is who is on this specific communication number ID 65. That is defined by responsibility matrix. It simply pulls out the person who is responsible for a specific discipline. Here it's design and engineering, and that is me who is responsible for that. On the employer side, on the contractor, it's Anna Lopez. So, and but now I will simply complete it, and this is simply done by on this interactive flowchart by clicking on completed, and here you'll instantly see we are down to 2, and you'll also see now it's completed. In a real project, we'll set it up so we don't see the completed. Because that done, we'll only focus on what has to be done in the to-do. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to digitalize how you manage large, complex projects and not just talk about it, then reach out to me. I would love to discuss how I and my team we can help you and your organization execute key processes significantly faster, better, and more efficient. Let's schedule a call where I can also demonstrate the power of real-time project management and how we can customize it to fit your and your organization's specific needs.